Hello, it's Leslie here. Today I'm going to look at some Russian vocabulary associated with space, to do with the space station. One of the first words I learnt in Russian before I was even interested in learning Russian was the word Mir. The original space station was called Mir, and that means peace, and it also means world. But this isn't Mir, this is the International Space Station. And I think this is the Russian part here. But this is not that easy to see, but I'll show you on another diagram where the Russian parts are. So there's a bunch of Russian modules here, and you can also see them here, over here. Here's another view showing some of the station. This is probably the best layout to see what parts of what. This is the Zvezda module. This is the, what is it, Nauka, Zarya, and Razsvet. This part here, Razsvet, Prichal, and Poisk. So all that's the Russian part, I believe. And then over here is the, although it's in Russian, this is some of the Japanese and American part, and I'm not too sure about the rest of it. So I found an interesting document on the science module called Nauka, and here's a photo of the science module, just to show you what we're going to look at. So here's an interesting PDF I found done by Roscosmos, and it talks about the module Nauka, science. So this is an interesting document. I'll put a link to it in the description below. I won't read it out, but I will read some of the terms. So this is the Zvezda module, which means star. This is the Poisk module, which means search. Here we have Zarya module, which means dawn. There's also another word for dawn, which is Razsvet. Svet. These kind of both mean dawn, but the word for sunrise is a bit different. So according to my Google Translator, sunrise is Voshod Sonsa. So these both mean dawn. Then you have the Nauka module here, which is the module we're going to look at in depth, closer in a minute, and the Prichal module. So you can read all this. This is a good document because it's bilingual English-Russian. And so here is the science module close up. And we have каюта, cabin, универсальные рабочие места here. Активный стыковочный aggregate, active docking assembly. And then we have over here пассивный стыковочный aggregate, passive. Люк шлюзовой камеры, the airlock hatch. Шлюзовая камера, the airlock. I'll go from over here. Бортовая мастерская, onboard workshop. Система обеспечения кислородом. Let me see how that's pronounced. Система обеспечения кислородом. I hope I'm saying that right. Oxygen supply system. So обеспечивать means to ensure. Обеспечивать. Post upravlения, like upravlять means to direct. So this is like the direction post. Pech для выращивания кристаллов. Выращивание кристаллов. This is, sorry, I forgot. This выращивание is cultivation. Cultivation. So, apologies if my pronunciation is a little bit off, but, you know, I'm not Russian. So, туалет системы регенерации воды из урины. Toilet with water regeneration system. Here's the перчаточный box. It says glove box, but a glove box for like a car is bardachok. Oh, sorry, bordachok. Bordachok for a glove box in a car, but here it's perchatочный box, which is a box you put your hands into to perform experiments inside a sealed box, you know. Modul polki узкие. Narrow shells. Широкий is wide. Modul polki. It sounds like, it reminds me of Yolki Polki. Modul polki узкие. Narrow shelves. Illuminator skronsteinem. Skronsteinem, I think that means bracket. I'm not sure what the bracket's for. Thermostat biotechnologicky universalny niskotemperaturny. That's a mouthful. Перенос и установка радиатора. Transfer and installing the radiator. Раскрытие радиатора и заправка. Заправка means, is actually the word for petrol station, I found out recently. Заправка. Захват радиатора манипулятором. Something like that. Stikovka. Stikovka, is it? Yes, Stikovka means docking assembly. Anyway, that's an interesting document you might want to read. There are a lot of I was forgetting my English then. There are a lot of organizations in this Russian space thing. Probably one of the biggest is Roscosmos, and I have found some of them on YouTube and subscribed to them. Some of them don't exist anymore, some of them have been joined or the names changed. So that I think, yeah, some of the names have changed. Anyway, if I remember, I will put some of the links to these YouTube channels so that you can see some of the launches and things like that. You know, because there's some of the space centers, so you'll be able to see the live launches. So if I remember, I'll put the links to that. They are in my subscriptions feed, but there's a lot of channels that I'm subscribed to, over 1,000, so it might not be that easy to find them. In the future, I'm going to reorganize my subscriptions when I can and put them into different categories, but for now, you would have to go through them unless I put them in the description. So I'll try to link to some of these companies, organizations. And lastly, I found, Roscosmos produces this magazine, Ruski Kosmos. You can get this magazine free. It's a monthly magazine. Here's the April edition with Yuri Gagarin on the front. And, it's all in Russian. It's free. You can probably subscribe to it and get it sent to you. Maybe not anymore with all the sanctions, but if you're interested in this, in learning Russian and you're interested in space stuff, I think this is a great resource to learn some Russian associated with space. So you know, it's quite well done. It has a lot of stuff in it, but of course it's all in Russian. And anyway, so they come out monthly. I might just quickly show you how to get access to this magazine, because I think it's quite interesting. It opens up this world of like space, if you're interested in that. So I'm just going to quickly go and find where it is. No, I've tried to go to the Roscosmos website, but it doesn't appear to be working. So the Roscosmos website is offline for some reason. It's a pity because it was a good resource. And the latest news I found while I was just searching for that, it seems to me that they're going to abandon this International Space Station. This news comes from yesterday. So apparently they're going to, yes, abandon the International Space Station. Anyway, that's the latest news. So it's kind of a pointless video that I've made, but anyway, maybe it's a help to you. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.